These are LED light strips from the REEMEER store. Let's take a look inside and see what you get. There are 2 spools, 50 feet each. Here's your plug-in. And these already come plugged. So those are your instructions. There's your remote. And you got 2 50-foot spools. And this is what plugs into here. I'll show you some of the colors right now. See if this comes with a battery. Yes, it comes with a battery. I'm unboxing this in real time, so let me open this up a little bit. And let's take a look at some of these colors. Let me kind of dim the lights a little bit. And I'll show you some colors. Okay, so let's check out some of these colors. You can hook these up to your Bluetooth. And they also have a timer and a dimmer on here. So let me turn this on and let's check out some of these colors. I'll just kind of go through some of them. Those are the greens. I'm on the reds. So you have some orange, some lighters, to some yellow. All right, let me kind of show you what some of these do. That's one mode. And there's another one. Just some different flickering modes. And also, you shouldn't keep these on the spool for too long when you have the lights on. I'm just doing this for the video. Something to note is someone I put up a lot of these. And these can get to where it could be a nightmare. If you're doing them by yourself, take your time. Make sure you clean your area really good. And use tape along the way. Use like Scotch tape to stick little, every few feet if you have to. If when you're peeling this off, sometimes if you're in a hurry and you've never done this before, when you start peeling this off, you can get into some real messes. And this can start getting tangled up into here and it can start twisting, and then all this can twist on you, and then before you know it, you can't stick these anymore or you break them. So take your time. Clean the area, know exactly, lay it all out first where you're going to put them. And if you're going to do anything baseboard, I would start on the baseboard. So if you're going to go baseboard, go up the walls, go up around doors, I would start on the low stuff first. That's where I would always start, especially by where you're going to be plugging it in at. So even if you got to do every couple of feet, tape it. So get a couple of feet and then put a piece of tape, like Scotch tape, right there. Now you got that behind you, so that's going to stay there, and that if it does start coming up on you, at least you got that tape right there that can stop it. If you have to do it every couple of feet, do it, because I put up a lot of these, and I'm telling you, and I've talked to a lot of people that they completely ruin them because they can't do it. It can be a nightmare for some people. So just take your time and make sure you have it all laid out, and see all this stuff can start twisting. Once you get it going out, it can start twisting on you. And then once you're pulling this off, if this starts, like, if you pull it off and it doesn't, something happens and like it only pulls half of it, you can start pulling half of it all the way down here, and then you got to come back here and try to mess with that again, and then this is twisting, and it could be a nightmare, especially if you're going up the wall or on the ceiling even. You're doing it by yourself, I'm telling you. So just take your time, go slow, and if you have to, the best advice I've given anybody, and I've given a lot of advice on this, do little pieces, tape it, another little piece, tape it, another little piece, tape it. I mean, it doesn't matter how big of pieces you do. A foot, 2 feet, whatever you can do to make sure that you get it right. So I hope that helps. I hope you enjoy. And don't leave these like this, like I've got it right now. Don't leave these on the spool because they can burn out. So hope that helps. Have a great day.